All right, I'm about to get in right now. I'm about to explain why. So, if we come up here on the 1 hour, you can see we are still bullish on all of these pairs. We have no SMTs at the upside. When we come down here to the 15-minute, we do have a London low SMT with YM. And then we have a 90-minute low SMT with ES. That should send us up to London high if we start to expand. I'm about to buy 6.
Order filled. Order filled.
Now, I like this trade, so I really wouldn't mind losing on this setup. Got a lot of displacement. London low SMT. Now YM is a little decoupled, but besides that, London low SMT and 90-minute SMT. I think we do push up. But now we have an SMT right here too, a little micro SMT. So right now would be the time to push up. SMT with 1400 candle low. So if I do get stopped, I'm completely wrong on this. Not gonna lie, I am liking these rejections, but I'm getting a little nervous. I'm definitely getting a little nervous. We gotta push through this fair value gap, obvious. Now when FOMC come out, it might stop us out though. That's the only problem. Kinda does look like we're setting up to expand through these highs, but something's holding us down right now. Might be this little micro SMT we got right here. If we could take out this SMT up here, we'll be good. FOMC about to come out now though, so it's kinda too late.
Order filled.
Well, boy, this account is looking terrible, bro. I've kinda accepted that we're gonna blow this account. Today was a good day in my opinion. Now, the reason I say that is because I've had experiences where FOMC will come out and shoot towards my TP if everything else aligns. Everything else did align, even down to the smallest time frame displacement. As you can see, we shifted up through this high, through this bearish fair value gap, came back down, created an SMT, then shifted above this fair value gap, invalidated an SMT that was up here, continued to expand, and that was after 2:30. So I thought we were for sure just gonna keep pushing up, but mic check. All right, cool. So peep what we did today. Y'all already seen the little live trading video, man. We did end up hitting our draw on liquidity, but FOMC had a nice little spike down. We had no SMTs up top at all, for real. So in my mind, we should have definitely pushed up again, but That being said, we are at all-time highs. My strategy loses a lot more at all-time highs. It goes from like a 60-70% win rate to a 40 to 50. But regardless, like I showed y'all, we had London low SMT, 90-minute SMT. Now I will say YM was kind of decoupled. YM wasn't really in sync with ES and NQ. So the fact that we had London low SMT with YM, that probably threw it off a little bit. But other than that, this was a solid trade, bro. And I truly think if we didn't have FOMC, this would have played out. I mean, you can even see before the news data or the volatility injection really hit, we were definitely trending towards that high. We didn't even make an SMT at this high. Like, there was really no reason for us to reverse right here besides FOMC. Now, the reason I took this trade, despite FOMC, is because I only traded FOMC with this strategy one time where I followed my rules and that motherfucker hit. You feel me? All the other times I didn't follow my rules, but this just showed me let's just stay away from FOMC, at least in the afternoons. But I'll probably skip these days altogether, bro. But yeah, that's really all I got for y'all. Today was still a green day to me. I ain't mad about this loss at all. But let's go over the stats real quick. So yeah, it's a whole lot of red on this shit. We broke our rules on these 2 days. This was a green day. Here we missed a very, very important technical confluence that messed up our bias. So it was technically a green day based on me following my rules, but it was a red day simply because I missed something technically. So these 3 trades were bad trades. So was this one as well. I'm not gonna lie, all 4 of these trades were bad. I shouldn't have traded these 2 days at all. This should have been a win, but fuck it, we fuck up sometimes. I'll accept this as a loss. So I should really only have 1 loss, really 2 losses and a win for the month, and we should only be down like $200 on these accounts. But it's all a learning lesson. I'm just glad we followed our rules today. That's all I got for y'all, man.